Carrier versus Rheem brand. Which one better? For Carrier we got 10-year warranty, 3 years labor and 5-year maintenance plan. For Rheem we got 10-year warranty, 2-year labor and 2-year maintennacr plan. Any suggestions?
Welcome to Just Answer. My name is I will do my best to help you with your issue. If my initial response doesn't answer your question, then let me know and we can continue our conversation. Carrier is generally considered to be better quality than Rheem, but Rheem is a perfectly good brand. I'd consider cost. Carrier not worth a significantly higher cost. And first and foremost, the quality and reliability of the contractor. Will they be there to service the unit when you need them?
Got a similar quote for Carrier than for Rheem.
Then all other things being equal, I'd go with Carrier.
Are there different grades of 14 SEER carriers?
There are different models, but the difference is mostly bells and whistles.
They have the basic one and the one from the Comfort Series that has the weather armor. Do you think that is better?
Depends on if the features on the more expensive model are useful to you or not.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert, now visit justanswer.com/ythi.